everyone and good morning everybody! Welcome to me and welcome to Jody's World. Welcome to my kitchen. And today, magluluto tayo ng dinuguan o pork blood stew in English. Chares. Yan. So, first things first, ang tawag dyan, sangkotsain daw muna natin yung taba para maalis yung mantikoy. So, after natin nasangkot siya ang baby fats ni Porcupine, isantabi natin siya because we are about to saute the fundamentals of aromatics. Chanes. Fundamentals, shoot. Starting with ginger. O luyay. Next is bawang and sibuyas. And mix. Mix them all together. Lagay na rin natin ang tanglad at ang meat ni Porcupine. Ba't meron ganito? Buto ito eh. Yan. At halo-haloin hanggang sa maluto si Porcupine. Lagyan natin ng coriander seeds. Yan. And of course, pamintaying buo. Yung closet. Chares. Samahan na rin natin ng Vice President Doy Laurel. Charis. Ang tagal na nun na. Laurel lives. At this time around, ilagay na natin ang secondary spices consist of capsicum, siling sagay, coriander o cilantro, and of course, spring onions. Again, this is my version. So, walang pakialaman na Charis. Because I believe more spice is more malinamnam. Yan. Then, lagyan natin ng konting tubig kanal at konting Sprite. Yan, Sprite. Half lang ng kain. And let it simmer for about